The more you know about your environment, the more connected you feel to it, and the more invested you become in helping to protect it. I'm Lisa Redfern, the artist, writer, film producer, and technology coach. This video is the first on a playlist I created that will walk you through how to scan QR codes, how to use Google Lens, and it provides other tips for how to get the most out of your multimedia story show. The first tip is how to use QR codes. A QR code is what you find here, these little things here. When you scan it with your smartphone, it links you directly to the web page that it's related to. This one goes right to the Ladybug page. The first video in the playlist shows how to get an app on your phone that will scan the QR or barcodes. Tips 2 and 3 are to visit the blog posts and watch the videos. The blog posts give a nice synopsis of the topics that we're covering, and the videos that I've curated go in depth in each topic. If you have time, watch them all. If you just have a little bit of time, just watch 1 or 2, or save it and come back later. If the QR scanning doesn't work, you can always go to followingdeercreek.com. Use the search bar at the top left to type in the title of what you want to read. Tip number 4, pick up one of the bookmarks. I have them located near the cash register. They're free. It's got a selection of books that are my favorite that I've discovered so far in my studies of the Deer Creek watershed. If you liked what you saw at the Multimedia Story Show, a final tip is to visit the website. Sign up to receive automatic notifications whenever I post a new blog post or produce a new short documentary. If you have social commentary, I'd love to hear it. I'll be watching the hashtags that are listed on the back of the bookmark. Thanks for following Deer Creek with me. Happy Spring into Art.